Hello everyone, this is Halil from Komman Machinery, who is the best carpet washing manufacturer of Turkey and all around the world. Today I am going to talk about and explain our machine, Monster 4200 inox automatic carpet washing machine. So right now let's check, go through and revise the machine all together. Low cost, high profit. That's possible with our high quality carpet washing machines. As Komman Machinery, we are here, support and assist you with our high quality carpet washing machines. Don't hesitate to contact us. Bye bye.